Hey gentlemen, welcome back to Dental Miracle. Have you ever dreamed of a world where you could just grow back a lost tooth? Imagine no more dentures, no more implants, just your own natural teeth, good as new. It sounds like science fiction, right? Well, that future might be closer than you think, thanks to a groundbreaking new drug. Today, we're diving deep into the incredible story of TRGO35, the tooth regeneration medicine that could completely change dentistry as we know it. So, what exactly is this miracle drug? TRGO35 is an antibody medicine developed by a team of brilliant researchers in Japan. They've been working on this for years, and now they're finally ready for human trials, which are set to begin this September. This is huge news. For the first time, we're on the cusp of a treatment that doesn't just replace or repair teeth, but actually regrows them from scratch. To understand how it works, we need a quick biology lesson. Don't worry, I'll keep it simple. The research so far has been incredibly promising. In animal studies, specifically with ferrets and mice, the results were astonishing. These animals, which have dental patterns similar to humans, were able to grow new, fully functional teeth after being treated with the drug. The new teeth grew in the correct spots, had the right shape, and integrated perfectly with the jawbone. This isn't just about filling a gap. It's about regenerating the entire tooth structure enamel, dentin, pulp, and root. The upcoming human trials are the next critical step. The first phase will focus on safety, involving 30 healthy adult males who are missing at least one back tooth. Researchers will administer the drug intravenously to confirm that it's safe for humans and doesn't have any unexpected side effects. This is a standard and crucial part of any new drug development process. They need to be absolutely sure it's safe before moving on. Assuming all goes well in Phase 1, the team will move to Phase 2. This is where things get really exciting. The study will expand to include patients aged 2 to 7 who have a condition called anodontia. This is a rare genetic disorder where children are born missing some or all of their teeth. Anodontia has a profound impact on a child's ability to eat, speak, and even on their facial development. Current treatments are often difficult and invasive, especially for young children. If TRGO35 works, it could offer these kids a chance to grow their own natural set of teeth, which would be absolutely life-changing for them and their families. The lead researcher, Dr. Katsu Takahashi, has been dreaming of this since he was a graduate student. His passion and dedication are a huge part of why this research has come so far. He envisions a world where tooth regeneration is a standard third option, alongside dentures and implants. Think about the implications. For people who have lost teeth due to injury, decay, or genetic conditions, this could be a complete game changer. Implants are great, but they can be expensive, require surgery, and sometimes fail. Dentures can be uncomfortable and affect your ability to taste and enjoy food. Growing back your own tooth would be the ideal solution, a permanent, natural, and perfectly integrated part of your body. So, what's the timeline? The initial human trials are scheduled to run until August 2025. After that, if the drug proves to be safe and effective, the researchers will focus on getting it ready for the general public. Their goal is to have the treatment available for patients with anodontia by 2030. And eventually for any adult who has lost a tooth. Of course, this timeline depends on the trial results and regulatory approvals, but the momentum is strong. This research isn't just happening in a vacuum. It's part of a broader field called regenerative medicine, which is all about harnessing the body's own ability to heal and regrow tissues. We're seeing similar breakthroughs in other areas, like skin grafting and organoids. The idea of growing back parts of our bodies is moving from the realm of fantasy into scientific reality. The work on TRGO35 is a flagship example of this incredible progress. Now, let's manage expectations a little. This won't be an over-the-counter solution you can buy at the pharmacy next year. It will likely be a specialized treatment administered by dentists or oral surgeons. There will be a lot of questions to answer. How long does it take for a tooth to grow? Will it work for everyone? What are the long-term effects? These are all things the upcoming clinical trials are designed to find out. But the potential is undeniable. This could mark the beginning of the end for tooth loss as a permanent problem. It could drastically reduce the need for invasive and costly dental procedures. For the elderly, it could mean a better quality of life, with the ability to eat and smile with confidence. For children with genetic dental disorders, it could mean a normal, healthy childhood. The company behind the drug, Toregem BioPharma, was founded specifically to bring this technology from the lab to the clinic. It's a venture backed by Kyoto University, which speaks to the credibility and seriousness of the project. They're not just chasing a dream, they're executing a well-planned scientific and business strategy to make tooth regeneration a reality. Think of all the people this could help. Athletes who lose a tooth in a sports injury, people who have had teeth extracted due to severe decay, or simply those of us who, due to genetics, were born without a full set. The impact is hard to overstate. It's a fundamental shift in how we approach dental health, from repair and replacement to true regeneration. We will be following this story very closely. As the human trials progress, we'll be sure to bring you all the updates. This is one of the most exciting medical developments in recent memory, and we're witnessing it unfold in real time. The journey from a scientific hypothesis to a life-changing treatment is long and challenging, but the team in Japan has cleared some of the biggest hurdles. Now the world watches and waits with hopeful anticipation. What do you think about this? Does the idea of regrowing your own teeth excite you, or does it make you a bit nervous? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. I'd love to hear what you all think about the future of dentistry. This is a conversation that affects everyone, because, let's face it, we all want to keep our smiles healthy and whole for as long as possible. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this as fascinating as I did, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content on the amazing scientific breakthroughs that are shaping our future. Ring that notification bell so you don't miss our updates on the TRGO35 trials. Until next time, stay curious. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.